Hello. So I posted on my Instagram story that I ordered some things from Cult Beauty. So I've just quickly done a little face, but it looks particularly awful. But whatever. Oh, you can't see my bun. Okay, we'll just have to do. Okay, so no. Okay, you can see my bun now. So I thought I'd just show you what I got from Cult Beauty. So I've got my box here. Ooh. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab and go. Oh, so the first thing I have is the Saint-Tropez Self Tan Purity. It's the bronzing water gel. So yeah, I saw, who was it? She used to be called Hello October, now she's called Susie Balaldi or something. That obviously must be her name. And she always looks like she's got like the most gorgeous tan. And I do love Filter by Molly May. But I wanted to try this. It's like a gel. It's a non-transfer one, which is something that I hate about fake tan, is it just gets everywhere. But this doesn't. So do you have a smell? Oh, I can see something. Oh, smells nice. So I have the Saint-Tropez face like spray. So if it's like if it's like the same colour, then I will like this. It smells really nice, like a tropical scent. So yeah. Next I have the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Now I have this in 3 shades already. So I've already got Golden Beige, which is when I'm like super dark tan, Vanilla when I'm like kind of in between pale and tan, and I also have Almond, which is when I'm most pale. But actually I find Almond not as light as I need it to be. So I got this in the shade Swan, which is super, wow, that is pale. I'm not going to open it, but these days I'm just not wearing fake tan because and I just bought fake tan and just showed you. I don't know what it is, just I think it's because I've just got nowhere to go basically. So I just haven't been reaching for fake tan. So when I'm pale, I'm like that pale. I'm pale, pasty pale.
Oh, that was a slide. No.
So Swan is literally like the lightest shade you can get in this concealer, but I love the concealer. Super high coverage. It looks and feels really nice. Oof. Looks and feels really nice on the skin. Like I said, I've already got it in 3 other shades, so why not get another one, you know? Next, I have the Tata Harper Regenerating Cleanser Daily Exfoliating Treatment. So I saw this years ago. It was on Zoe Suggs, one of her videos. I've always wanted to try it, just never have, because I think it was quite expensive. Do I have the I mean, it's on the floor over there and I can't move it. Oh, it's small. Cleansers are the thing that I tend to shop most for because I just haven't found the right one for me. I find one that I like and then I use it. I feel like my skin like gets used to it almost, so it doesn't react as well as it did when I first started using it. I don't know. But we'll try this one. It's 50 milliliters, the one that I got, so I got like the smaller size. But yeah, we'll see if I like this. Woo! Next I got Lano Lips. I have used this for years. It's the best lip balm I find. It's like a thick kind of oil. It's like a hard oil. But the one I've been using has run out. There's hardly any left. This is just the original one and I really, really like it. So I thought I'd better get another one before it runs out, you know. Next I have the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. So to set my brows, for about a year now I think, I've been using Pears soap to create soap brows. Because all my hair all over my body is dark, thick, coarse, stubborn. So my eyebrows, they just won't go where I want them to go, and soap was actually the thing that helped actually, but it would take ages for me to actually like get to the desired look that I wanted. So I don't have time for that anymore. And a lot of people spoke about the Benefit brow setter, so I got it. I'm actually quite surprised. It feels like a really cheap packaging actually, but I have used it today. Also, I find with Pears soap is that it does look good, but sometimes it kind of leaves like a residue and it kind of looks like dandruff on the eyebrow, which is not something you want. So I think I'm gonna get along with this. I just kind of got to the what's that word? Come to the conclusion that my brows are who they want to be. They don't want to change. I'm not going to change them. Let's just do what we can. And this is the best bet. Speaking of brows, my hair. I feel like my bun has just slowly unraveled throughout this whole video. Woo! So they are horrendous today, and I have used this product to do these brows. But it was just me. I was just being really, really quick and sloppy, and they don't look good. But I also got the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen. So I've used powders, pencils, pomades, and I like kind of change what I use to get a desired look. But I really want to try a brow pen because I think they actually make your brows look the most like realistic. Like they look like hair strokes. Woo! So this is what it looks like. Can you see there? Oh no, don't go to me. So I need something. Ooh, a ghost! So I'm just using my flip flop to show you. Professional! Tiny little nib, so it's perfect for those kind of brow-like hairs. I'll show you my eyebrow. So yeah, they look really bad, but so it's just create those brow-like hairs. I love a bushy brow, you know. Okay, next. So this is something that I've not heard anybody speak about, but it got really good reviews on Cult Beauty, and there was a lot of them. I always make sure, like, okay, it could be 5-star, but when it's only got 2 reviews, I'm a bit like, but if it's like 4 stars, but it's got like 120 views, I'm like, okay, it must be good. My makeup remover cleanser is nearly done. So basically I use a cleanser to remove my makeup, and then I use another cleanser to actually cleanse my skin. So I've used all that up. It was the Caudalie oil cleanser and I really, really liked it, but I just want to try something else. So this is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So I've never tried a cleansing balm before. It's paraben free, formaldehyde donor free, synthetic fragrance free, fertilizer free, mineral oil free, cruelty free. Perfect. Oh, it's got a little spatula. Oh, it's green. Oh. Oh my god, I know exactly what it smells like. What is that? Okay, it smells like lime flavoured, what are they called? the fizzy wine gums, but the fizzy ones, you know what I mean? Literally as soon as I stop filming, I'm gonna go and remove this. So I will put here what I think about it. Next I have, so this is something that I have actually used before years ago. So this is when Charlotte Tilbury was like coming about. I was like, Mum, for Christmas can I have a Charlotte Tilbury set? And at that time she did like a whole set of like eyeshadow, came with eyeshadow palette, mascara, eyeliner, I think lip liner, an eye cream, and also this. Basically a whole set, and I used this product in that set and loved it. However, it's very expensive, but I needed a new like evening mascara. I needed a new evening moisturizer. I've got like a day one which has like SPF in it, but I wanted like a rich luxurious evening moisturizer, so I ended up getting the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and on Cult Beauty they do it in 3 different sizes, which I think is really good. I mean, this is still expensive in every size, but the really little size, I was like, there's no point, I need to get like a medium size. So I got the medium size. I just wanted something like luxurious before bed to massage into the skin and then go to sleep. No, no. Why was I so scared it literally is gonna land on a little bit of carpet? Oh, I wish I'd kind of split these 2 apart. It's another Charlotte Tilbury. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Collagen Lip Bath. Collagen Enhanced Lip Plumping Effect. Wow, you can really see me. But this is in her new like range called Walk of No Shame. So I already have this in, I'll get it because I can just see it there, so it's not that much effort. So I got this in the shade Rosy Glow, so it's a nice like pinky rosy colour. So I know that I like the actual product, but I thought I would try this new colour range, and they're virtually the same colour. So it's this colour, it's a bit more like pinky and autumnal. Shall I put it on? I think it would look quite nice with this makeup actually. Smell, it has the same minty smell because it's like a lip plumper thing. The thing I'm unsure about with these is the applicator is like, it's like a love heart slash a set of balls, but we'll go with love heart. Yeah, it just makes it really weird to put on, to be honest, but I still like it. I mean, I did have a colour on underneath anyway, but I like it. Oh, I like that even more. So that is my Cult Beauty haul. I'm now going to remove all my makeup because I need to get it off. Oh, it's raining hard. Thank you for watching my Cult Beauty haul and watching my hair slowly just disintegrate. It's cute. Yep. I will see you next time. Bye. Ew. Thank you so much for watching my Cult Beauty haul, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.